Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll teach you how to make Aquaman in Infinity Craft. So in here, the first thing we need to do is you can head over and add in here water. And then on this water, let's add another water and now we have lake. Now on this lake, let's add another water and now we have ocean. So for this ocean right here, we can head over and add another water. Just put that right in here and we have fish. Now on this fish right here, let's add in here a fire. And now we have sushi. So for this sushi right here, we can put that aside for now. So on this right here, let's add another element by adding water and adding earth right here. And now we have plant. So for this plant right here, let's add in here wind. Now we have dandelion. Now on this dandelion, let's add in here fish. And now we have puffer fish. So since we already have that, let's merge that to the sushi. Now we have poison. So for this poison right here, let's add another poison. And now we have toxic. Now on this toxic right here, let's add poison. Now we have venom. Now since we already have venom, let's actually put that aside for now. And then let's actually create another element. So let's click on wind right here. Then let's click on earth and merge that, and we have dust. So on this dust right here, let's click on earth again, and then let's add that, and we have planet. Now on this planet, add another planet, and we have star. Now on this star right here, let's add in here another star, and we have galaxy. So for this galaxy right here, let's add in here another star, and then merge that, and we have universe. So let's merge the universe with the venom right here, and now we have Spider-Man. So since we need Aquaman, we need to actually add in here a few elements. So what we can do is we can actually head over and then just put that aside for now. So for now, let's head over and add in fire. Now on this fire right here, let's put in water. Now we have steam. So for this steam right here, since we already have that, let's merge that to Spider-Man, and now we have Iron Man. So the next thing we can do is we can actually just head over and then try to put in another element. Let's add in here fish, and then let's merge it, and now we have Aquaman. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!